Hi, I'm Steve, and this is My Veterans Gravel, the first load. Wah! Load 1 spread. Load 2 just showed up. 10 tons of gravel. Round 3. Load number 4. Don't worry about that. This is 4 loads down at 5 tons per load. That's a lot of weight. You can see where the fresh gravel that I just laid today is dark from the water in it, and the gravel that I laid last week is all nice and dry because it's been 100 degrees here every day. I didn't get a video of load 5, so instead here's me flexing.
Look at this jackass. Does he even know what he's doing?
This is load 6, but it turns out we didn't need it. Gravel's level, ready for concrete. Remember, this is a how I did it video, not a how to do it video. So if I did something wrong, you're more than welcome to call me out. But guess what? That's in the past, and there's nothing we can do to fix it now. So go outside, lay some gravel, correct a stranger on the internet, do something productive, like nothing. Take your day off, have a break. It's all right. And you watch this to the end, and I appreciate that. So go out, save the world, and fight another day.